So we're doing our apple wax videos. We've had a couple of comments about, there's natural wax on apples. We just happen to have a beautiful apple tree here in our backyard, so let's give it a try. See if I can jump that high first of all. Oh, look at that. Oh, that one's been eaten by somebody, but I'm sure we can see. First of all,
Squeaky.
Squeaky wax clean for sure. Sorry about all the traffic going by. So we do have natural wax. I guess we're wondering why they take this off to apply their APEEL or OrganiPeel chemicals. Looks like this wax was doing a fine job to me.